Markku Makkonen of Fourdeg from Finland.
Yep, right.
Our
Cool.
first startup from Finland, and he used to be a big guy in Nokia, and now you are a small guy at Fourdeg, but you will be big soon.
But absolutely very naive one. So let's start with this Finland thing. So let me show you one thing first, which is very hard to see. That is the Finnish smile. Hopefully you remember that. Okay, Fourdeg, let me tell a true story about our pilot last winter. So we are startup, we piloted last winter, we are starting delivering this autumn timeframe. So our pilot, what we do is energy efficiency for buildings. So our pilot was an office building. We did it for the last winter. We interviewed the people, the heating was better, and we consumed 28% less energy in that building. So better heating with less energy, that is what we are doing for the buildings and for the district heating network. Why it is important? So first of all, let's look at this carbon dioxide. This could be from Helsinki, Stockholm, this could also be Warsaw, Berlin, or some city like Beijing in China. 150 million people are living in these kind of cities in the cold places. Where all of this carbon dioxide is coming from, it is coming from the heating. Our mission is to cut 20% out of that, which means that we are cutting half of the traffic emission, half of it. Economically, I used to be a telecom guy. I thought that is a brilliant business. However, that is 1/3, 25% of the heating. So heating is a big business. It's big business for the owners. 900 euro ARPU, I never could have ever dreamt about that in telecoms. So energy efficiency in buildings, I explained very briefly, and for the district heating network. What does it mean? So there's a triangle. Consumers, what they get is a kind of better heating, a bit less cost, automatic operation, etc. They can control if they wish, but they don't need to do anything. Building owners, so they get the beef, they get less cost from the energy billing, and they get much less trouble in their maintenance because of many digital things that we can provide them. But the real McCoy here is that the district heating companies love us because we will do what Sarah is doing for the electricity. We can support them with the load balancing, as we call it. We are in a collaboration with two Finnish large district heating companies, and we wish to do it more outside of Finland very soon. Our sweet spot is the existing buildings. Why? Because they are not that wonderful in kind of construction technology, but also they are so many. There are hundreds of thousands in Europe that we could install our system. What we are doing actually, so we are changing the passive radiator thermostats with an active one connected to our server, and the server is our thing, software, predictive adaptive algorithms, so that it makes the whole heating from reactive to proactive, which means that we are removing the unneeded part of the heating, maximizing the comfort. And then we are providing this district heating control UI, which is patented by ourselves. We have something specific that it makes much better than it has ever been before. And this is not my words, this is from a CTO from a Finnish district heating company. What kind of business we will make? We are planning to go to 100 million euro sales soon, and that means like a few % share of the European market. Some people don't believe it. We can make the bottom-up planning for the first steps in Finland, and we are planning to do that in the proper markets in Europe. You need to, of course, I don't have it yet. It's a promise. I have something that's already there. Why would this happen? We are not competing with the smart home hardware companies like Samsung, like Danfoss, or like EQ3. We are not in competition with the other companies who are making the office automation, like the Siemens automation, or like Schneider Electric, or so forth. We are in the middle, so that we are bringing the smart homes to large buildings. So that's what we are doing in practice. How we are doing our business, so the device suppliers, I already explained, so we are using those. And then we are selling through the district heating companies, I already told what we are doing. And then energy saving consultancies, of course, are selling our product. To speed up this, we have started to talk straight to the building owners. They are buying from us, so that we already have orders worth more than 500,000. So it's a good start. It's not where we want to stay. What are we? So we are very, let's say, ugly guys. The good news is that we have done some business before. So I used to make artificial needs for common people like you, consumers, and make solutions and sell them like hell to you. Now this is wonderful because I can make something for real need, real purpose. And the rest of our team, we have the same mission. So we are true entrepreneurs. We want to make lots of money, but in a very sustainable way. Where we are at the moment, so 2 patents, we have piloted, we have pre-orders, we are shipping, and what we are looking here, why I'm here, why did I bother? So we have money to execute now for 1.5 years. We got a seed funding, done, good for us. After 1 year, we are looking for 2 million more to grow outside from Finland, and that's where we need you. So like if a greedy investor, talk to me. If you are working with heating hardware, smart home hardware, or if you're an energy company or energy efficiency company, so I wish to collaborate with you. That's me. That's Fourdeg.
And now, as a present, I get a smile from you. Okay.
Okay. Yes, a real. This real one. Yeah.
Okay, I like it very much. 2 million you need.
Yeah, 2 million.
Okay, it's manageable.
Yeah, from this room easily. I believe you. Okay.
Thank you very much.